Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna be going to 2 events in Kingston. I got invited to 2 events tonight and I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. The first one is basically a bartender expo and I'm not gonna be staying at that one that long, I think. And then the next one is a St. Patrick's Day celebration that Guinness, the beer brand, is having at a brewery in Constant Springs. So we're gonna be going to 2 of those and I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. And I'm gonna try and vlog a lot tonight because I want this to be like a cute little event vlog in Kingston, so you guys can kind of see a bit of what's happening in Kingston. Like, obviously these 2 events don't happen every day, but it will give you a good idea of what the Kingston space is like in terms of events, nightlife, that kind of thing. By the way, today's a Sunday, so we're going to these events on a Sunday. I just finished doing my makeup and my hair. My hair, I don't remember if I vlogged. Yeah, you guys would have seen my hair when I went to Mugbe in my last vlog, and I had the 2 puffs. So basically my hair was dry. It wasn't in a wash and go or anything like that, so I had to wet up my hair and put a little bit of gel and stuff in it to kind of get like a high puff kind of vibe, my high pineapple puff that I usually wear. But because my hair has grown out so much as well, it looks kind of messy and big. It almost doesn't even look like a high puff, to be honest, but it's kind of drying right now, so it looks a little crazy, I feel like. And I haven't put that much product in it, to be honest, that much gel, so it's more fluid, if that makes sense. But anyways, yeah, so my makeup kind of came out nice. Of course, I barely did anything on my eyes because I'm not that good with eyeshadow, as you guys know. So I do the bare minimum. I usually do a contour shade on my lids and then a lighter color or glitter of some kind in this area. A light glitter, that's all I do. I'm not good at this, okay? I'm only good at base makeup, foundation, blush, that kind of thing. But when it comes to the eyes, not my forte. But anyways, let's go. It's okay. Club, well, the Clubhouse Brewery. We didn't really stay at the last event that long because honestly there wasn't a lot going on and it was ending at 9, as I told you guys earlier. So we're not Constant Spring for the Guinness event, St. Patrick's Day Sally. That's gotten us locked up. You never still what? No, sir. No, have a light. No, sir. What are you talking
your phone?
No.
And you're going to type in a question into Google. Okay? I'm giving you an advantage, yeah? Alright, I'm going to read fast. What is the highest number of leaves ever recorded on a single clover stem?
You so crazy. You see her?
I can't sing loud coming on the body ball.
Us in the middle of halfway tree.
Get you out of my mind.
Oh, where water come from? You. What? What the song them a play? I got food. I think it's like after 1 right now. And we're just leaving the lot. Whoopsie. Yeah, so we're leaving the lot. We went to Kingston Spring and then we came to the lot for I Love Souls. Yeah, we're at the golf club, Kingston Spring. So we're going home now. It's been a long night. It's after 1.
Yeah,
and we left the house. We left the house. What time we leave the house? After 7.
I reached
after
to 7. So we leave home more after 7.
After 7, yeah.
A little after 7. So finally last minute paper. Stress out.
And I got food and everything, so
But maybe finally.
I'm gonna go for sleep, you know. I have 2 things to edit. Yeah, I have 2 videos to edit. And yeah, tomorrow's Monday. I have things to do tomorrow too. But yeah, we're heading home.